journalist Suparna Sharma and artist Anand RK have won the 2026 Pulitzer Prize for illustrated reporting and commentary for Trapped, a graphic investigation into digital arrest scams. The award was shared with Bloomberg senior investigative reporter Natalie Obiko Pearson. The winners were announced on May 4th by Columbia University in New York. Published by Bloomberg, the project explored how victims are psychologically trapped by cyber fraudsters through surveillance, intimidation, and fake law enforcement threats. The story focused on an Indian neurologist allegedly held captive by her own phone during a digital arrest scam. Mumbai-based illustrator Anand RK, known for graphic novels Blue and Green and Graffiti's Wall, created the visuals for the project. Delhi-based freelance journalist Suparna Sharma and Pearson led the reporting. The Pulitzer Prize is considered one of the highest honors in journalism in the United States. It recognizes excellence in reporting, commentary, and storytelling. Another Indian journalist, Devjot Ghoshal, was named a finalist in the same category. His investigation focused on cybercrime and trafficking networks in Southeast Asia, where victims from countries including India were allegedly forced to run online scam operations.